Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can fix the Vaillant boiler F28 error code in 2026. So F28 error code on the Vaillant boiler usually means the boiler has experienced an ignition failure. In simple terms, the boiler tried to light the burner, but it couldn't detect a stable flame, so it locked itself for safety purposes. So one of the first things that you should check in order to fix this particular issue is the gas supply. So make sure that your gas is turned on, and if other gas appliances in your home are working normally. If you use a prepayment gas meter, you just have to check that there is enough credit available. Now, another very common cause, especially during winter, is the frozen condensate pipe. So if the condensate pipe outside your home freezes, the boiler may fail to start and display the F28 faulty code. So you can carefully just pour the warm water over the frozen section of the pipe to thaw it. Avoid using the boiling water as it may damage the pipe. Now, after doing so, you need to also check the boiler pressure. If the pressure is too low, you need to repressurize the system to the level which is recommended by Vaillant, which is usually around 1 to 1.5 bars. So once you have checked these basics, you just have to simply press and hold the reset button. So the reset button will be located underneath this particular icon. So you need to simply press and hold the reset button for a few seconds and allow the boiler to restart. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.